Hi everyone, welcome to my gym. This week, the EU AI Office published a second version of its Code of Practice for the Article 50 AI Act. This might be a super niche topic, but I think it's emblematic of how Brussels operates, so I just wanted to come on here and talk about it before I go work out. Here's the thing. What Europe is trying to do with AI regulation is, in principle, the right instinct. If software can generate convincing text, images, audio, and video, then transparency matters. Trust matters. In enterprise, that's basically how you sell software. But here's the disconnect. A lot of these rules are written by very smart academics under the influence of lobbying groups trapped in a policy bubble that is heavily detached from the real world. As a result, the EU often regulates like the world is static, while AI product development is the opposite. It moves weekly, sometimes even daily. And when the rules get too prescriptive too early, compliance stops being about things that we care about, like consumer safety, and becomes more like a tick-boxing exercise. You can see it in the dozens of pages of this code of practice that was clearly designed for social media platforms, but is simply overkill in enterprise AI software and definitely a burden for startups. In the real world, where I live, workflows change constantly. There are always new models, new research breakthroughs, new use cases. If every upgrade triggers a new compliance rework, innovation slows down for everyone except big companies that can throw thousands of engineers and lawyers at compliance. For a startup building enterprise software, this type of regulation diverts engineering time away from improving quality and safety where it actually counts. Europe can absolutely lead on trustworthy AI. The way to do it is to regulate for outcomes, build clear and simple rules, and design a system that doesn't turn responsible innovation into a moat for large tech companies. If you want to read my full thoughts on this topic, search for my name on LinkedIn. I published a longer article there. All right, see you soon.